Mornings can be so crazy. Sometimes they're just way too busy to feel like you can sit down. Secret weapon, overnight oats. So as the name so cleverly implies, I may make one of these in the morning, but the one I'm gonna eat today, I actually made last night. I let my fridge do the work. A little bit of almond milk. Has a really light texture. And so much vitamin E, my skin glows. You can use any milk you want, really. Because I'm such a fan of fiber, flax seeds. You can grind them if you want to, and they're an awesome source of anti-inflammatory omega-3s, but I'm keeping them whole. And for a little acid, lemon. It's what's gonna brighten up all of the other flavors. Cacao nibs. All of the dark chocolate, none of the sugar. How easy was that? Breakfast in just a couple of minutes. Now they're ready for the fridge. And for my overnight oats, mornings when you top them. And you can put pretty much anything you want and it would be super delicious. If you notice your oats are a little bit drier than you'd like, add a little more milk. There are no rules here. This is breakfast. It's too early for that. A little some. That's not breakfast without just a little fruit. Blueberries. Oops. Blueberries everywhere, but I think it's that kind of morning. Pile it high and watch them fly. Overnight oats in the morning. Sweet, juicy blueberries, the richness and the heartiness of the oats. Little crunch. It's all I need to get my morning going.